Welcome to Factory Automation Future, where we uncover the massive industrial scale behind processing the world's most unique and healthy vegetables. Today, we explore the journey of the bitter melon, a nutrient-dense fruit that requires sophisticated technology to process for global consumption. This facility is supported by thousands of acres of dedicated farmland, ensuring a steady supply of raw materials throughout the year. Advanced agricultural robotics have revolutionized the harvesting process, allowing us to pick the fruit at the exact moment of peak ripeness. Computer vision systems analyze the color and size of each fruit instantly, ensuring only the highest quality melons are selected today. Handling these vegetables requires a delicate touch, so every collection bin is lined with impact-absorbing materials to prevent any surface damage. Once harvested, the raw materials are immediately transported to the processing facility by a fleet of autonomous electric transport vehicles. Speed is essential to maintain freshness, so the transition from the farm to the factory floor happens in under 1 hour. Heavy lifting is handled entirely by automated systems, reducing human fatigue and increasing the efficiency of the unloading process significantly. We are now witnessing the beginning of the industrial line, where tons of raw produce will be transformed into finished products. The first step is a mechanical vibration stage designed to shake off any loose soil or leaves before the washing begins. High-pressure water jets attack dirt from every angle, ensuring the textured surface of the bitter melon is thoroughly cleaned. Soft rotating brushes work in tandem with the water jets to gently scrub the skin without removing the essential nutrients. This immersion tank utilizes ozone technology to sterilize the surface and break down any potential organic residues or microscopic bacteria. Powerful air knives blast away excess moisture, ensuring the fruit is perfectly dry before it enters the critical sorting phase. Artificial intelligence cameras scan every single fruit at lightning speed, measuring dimensions and detecting even the smallest surface imperfections. Any fruit that does not meet our strict quality standards is instantly rejected by pneumatic arms and diverted for composting. The system automatically sorts the product into 3 distinct lanes based on size, optimizing the efficiency of the slicing machines. We now approach the slicing station, where surgical-grade steel blades spin at high velocities to ensure clean and uniform cuts. The slicing mechanism processes hundreds of melons per minute, creating uniform slices that are critical for consistent drying and extraction. Vibrating shakers spread the fresh slices evenly across the mesh belt, preventing clumping and ensuring equal exposure to the heat. The product now enters the industrial tunnel dryer, a massive chamber where temperature and humidity are controlled with absolute precision. Inside the chamber, hot air circulates in a complex pattern to remove moisture gently without destroying the vital nutrients and vitamins. Over several hours, the moisture content is reduced to less than 5%, effectively preserving the product for long-term storage. Emerging from the dryer, the slices are now crisp and shelf-stable, ready to be packaged as tea or snacks. Meanwhile, in another section of the factory, fresh bitter melons are diverted to the liquid extraction line for juice production. Heavy-duty crushers pulverize the fresh fruit into a fine pulp, breaking down the cell walls to release the valuable juice. Hydraulic presses apply tons of pressure to the pulp, squeezing out every drop of liquid rich in insulin-like compounds. Centrifugal separators spin at high speeds to remove solid particles, resulting in a pure and clear liquid ready for further processing. Vacuum evaporators concentrate the juice at low temperatures, preserving the delicate flavor profile and the medicinal properties of the bitter melon. Quality control is paramount, and samples are tested regularly in our on-site laboratory to ensure consistency and safety for consumers. The bottling line operates at incredible speeds, filling hundreds of bottles per minute with the concentrated bitter melon extract. Automated capping and labeling machines finish the product presentation, applying tamper-evident seals to guarantee the integrity of the contents. Back at the dry processing line, the dried slices are weighed with digital precision before being dropped into their packaging. Nitrogen flushing is used during the packaging process to remove oxygen, extending the shelf life and keeping the slices crispy. Robotic palletizers take over the heavy lifting, organizing the finished products into boxes with a speed no human could match. Automated guided vehicles transport the full pallets to our smart warehouse, navigating the facility without the need for human drivers. The smart warehouse utilizes a vertical storage system to maximize space, managed entirely by a complex inventory management software algorithm. From the central control room, engineers monitor every sensor and motor in the facility to prevent downtime and ensure efficiency. Preventative maintenance is automated as well, with machines capable of self-diagnosing issues and alerting technicians before a failure occurs. Sustainability is a core value here, so all organic waste and byproducts are converted into nutrient-rich fertilizer for the farm. Our advanced water filtration system recycles 90% of the water used in production, minimizing our environmental footprint significantly. The final product is not just a commodity, but a health supplement enjoyed by millions of people around the world. Bitter melon is renowned for its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a vital part of many diets. As the day ends, containers filled with our products are sealed and prepared for shipment to international markets across the globe. From this single factory, the benefits of bitter melon reach consumers in Europe, America, and Asia, connecting agriculture with technology. The factory never sleeps. As the sun sets, the night shift begins, and the automated systems continue their relentless pace. There is a mesmerizing beauty in the synchronization of these machines, a perfect harmony of engineering and biological processing. Human expertise is still crucial as our engineers constantly look for ways to optimize the algorithms and improve the output. Hygiene is maintained by autonomous cleaning robots that scrub the floors and sanitize equipment surfaces to prevent any cross-contamination. This super factory is powered largely by renewable energy, utilizing a massive rooftop solar array to reduce its carbon footprint. The transformation from a raw, bumpy vegetable to a refined, packaged product is a testament to modern food processing technology. Speed is balanced with precision, allowing the facility to process over 50 tons of raw bitter melon every single day. Thermal sensors monitor the drying tunnels continuously, making micro-adjustments to the heat levels to ensure uniform drying for every slice. Strict hygiene protocols require all personnel to wear full protective gear, ensuring that the production environment remains completely sterile. Traceability is guaranteed by laser coding every package with a unique batch number, allowing us to track the product's history. Incoming raw materials are stored in climate-controlled cooling rooms to pause their ripening process until they are ready for processing. Before leaving the production line, every single package must pass through sensitive metal detectors to ensure absolute consumer safety. As a beacon of industry in the countryside, the factory provides employment and drives the local economy forward with its operations. Our research and development team is constantly experimenting with new ways to extract more value and flavor from the bitter melon. Beyond tea and juice, we are developing healthy snacks like seasoned bitter melon chips to appeal to a younger generation. For our premium product line, we utilize freeze-drying technology which removes moisture while keeping the cellular structure perfectly intact. Freeze-drying is more expensive, but results in a superior product that retains nearly all of the original color and nutrients. We also produce a fine, bitter melon powder, which is used as a versatile ingredient in smoothies, baking, and cosmetics. Specialized ball mills grind the dried slices into a microscopic powder, increasing the surface area for better absorption by the body. Laser diffraction technology measures the particle size distribution, ensuring the powder meets the strict specifications required by our pharmaceutical clients. For those who dislike the bitter taste, we encapsulate the concentrated powder into easy-to-swallow pills for daily supplementation. Electronic counters ensure that every bottle contains the exact number of capsules before it is sealed and labeled for sale. Spiral conveyors transport the finished goods to the upper levels, utilizing vertical space efficiently and allowing for a compact factory footprint. Before entering the production floor, every employee must pass through air showers and rigorous sanitation stations to maintain a sterile environment. The factory air is constantly filtered and conditioned to maintain positive pressure, preventing any outside contaminants from entering the production zones. Sophisticated electronic control units coordinate the movements of thousands of motors and sensors with millisecond precision to ensure smooth operation. Our automation engineers frequently update the control software to improve speed, reduce energy consumption, and adapt to new product requirements. Watching the factory in motion reveals a choreographed dance of technology, where every movement is calculated for maximum productivity and safety. We also have a dedicated section for seed preservation, ensuring we have high-quality genetics for the next planting season. Seed extraction is performed gently to protect the embryo within, guaranteeing a high germination rate for our partner farmers. The selected seeds are packaged and returned to the agricultural department, completing the sustainable cycle of our production ecosystem. We maintain a strong relationship with our farming partners, providing them with the best resources to grow premium bitter melons. To ensure longevity, automatic lubrication systems keep the moving parts of the machinery running smoothly, reducing wear and tear significantly. Vibration sensors detect the slightest anomaly in the machinery, allowing us to fix potential problems before they cause a breakdown. The packaging material is supplied in massive rolls, which are automatically swapped out by robots to prevent any interruption in production. Seal integrity is tested by subjecting random samples to a vacuum chamber, ensuring that every package remains airtight during transport. The vibrant green color of our juice is natural, preserved by our cold processing techniques that avoid the use of high heat. Flash pasteurization is used to eliminate bacteria instantly, while minimizing the thermal impact on the flavor and nutrients of the juice. Immediately after heating, the product is rapidly cooled to lock in freshness and prevent any degradation of the active compounds. Shrink sleeve labels are applied using steam tunnels, providing 360 degrees of branding space and protecting the juice from light exposure. Multi-pack machines group the bottles into convenient 6-packs, making them ready for retail shelves and easier for consumers to carry. Layer by layer, the robotic arm builds a stable palette of beverages, placing protective sheets between the tiers to prevent damage. Once the pallet is full, it is automatically wrapped in stretch film to secure the load for its journey to the warehouse. A unique tracking label is applied to the pallet, linking it to our digital inventory system for real-time location tracking. From above, the movement of the automated guided vehicles resembles a complex dance, orchestrated by a central computer for maximum efficiency. When their energy levels run low, the vehicles automatically return to their charging stations, ensuring the fleet is always ready to work. Scheduled maintenance is critical, and our team works efficiently to replace worn components during planned downtime to avoid unexpected delays. Safety is our top priority, and the facility is equipped with advanced fire suppression systems that protect both our workers and our machinery. We also prioritize the well-being of our human workforce, providing nutritious meals and a comfortable environment for their rest breaks. Inside the facility, green spaces provide a connection to nature, reminding us of the agricultural roots of our high-tech operation. The tea bag production line operates with incredible speed, cutting, filling, and tagging hundreds of individual tea bags every single minute. Precision robotics gently handle the delicate tea bags, counting and inserting them into retail boxes without tangling the strings. Check weighers verify that every box contains the correct amount of product, instantly rejecting any unit that falls outside the tolerance. A final layer of cellophane wrapping is applied to the tea boxes to preserve freshness and provide a premium look and feel. Automated case packers collate the retail boxes into shipping cartons, sealing them with tape and labeling them for wholesale distribution. From refreshing teas to potent supplements, our diverse product range maximizes the potential of the humble bitter melon in every form. As a new day dawns, the cycle continues, with fresh raw materials arriving at one end and finished products leaving at the other. Our logistics operations are entirely paperless, using digital manifests and blockchain technology to ensure transparency and efficiency in the supply chain. Each truck leaving our facility carries not just products, but the result of hours of precise engineering and agricultural dedication. Our global distribution network ensures that these healthy products reach supermarkets and pharmacies in over 50 countries around the world. Ultimately, our goal is to provide consumers with high-quality, safe, and nutritious products that support a healthy and active lifestyle. Back at the source, the machines continue their perfect rhythm, a testament to the power of modern industrial automation and design. The gleaming stainless steel and the hum of the motors are the sights and sounds of a future where food is safer. Our artificial intelligence systems not only manage current production, but also predict future market demand to optimize our manufacturing schedules. When demand increases, the entire factory adapts instantly, speeding up processes while maintaining the same high standards of quality control. We remain committed to environmental stewardship, constantly monitoring our waste streams to ensure we leave a positive impact on the planet. It all begins here in the fields, where nature provides the raw materials that our technology will later transform and enhance. We protect the local ecosystem, knowing that natural pollinators like bees are essential partners in our high-tech agricultural process. Even in the fields, technology plays a role, with drones providing precision irrigation and monitoring crop health from the sky. Soil sensors transmit real-time data on moisture and nutrient levels, allowing farmers to make informed decisions for the best yield. While machines do the heavy lifting, the human touch remains valuable for handling the most delicate tasks in the field. Inside the massive complex, electric transport carts allow our technicians to move quickly between different zones of the production line. Smart lighting systems detect movement, illuminating areas only when needed to conserve energy and further reduce our operational costs. Any packaging materials that do not meet our standards are immediately shredded and sent for recycling, ensuring zero-waste operations. We invest heavily in training, using virtual reality simulations to teach new employees how to operate complex machinery safely and effectively. Virtual reality allows our team to practice maintenance procedures in a safe digital environment before touching the actual expensive equipment. Communication and teamwork are the foundations of our success, ensuring that every shift runs smoothly and targets are met consistently. Real-time production data is displayed for all to see, fostering a culture of transparency and collective achievement among the workforce. Even the trucks leaving the facility are washed automatically, ensuring that we maintain cleanliness inside and outside the factory gates. There is an undeniable elegance in the design of these machines, where form follows function to create industrial art. Every member of our team wears their uniform with pride, knowing they are part of a world-class manufacturing operation. We keep a retention sample from every single batch produced, stored in our archive for quality assurance and future reference. Massive on-site servers store terabytes of production data, allowing us to analyze trends and optimize the process over years. Big data analytics help us uncover hidden efficiencies, turning raw numbers into actionable insights that drive our continuous improvement. We welcome visitors to witness our technology firsthand, inspecting our operations from observation decks located above the production floor. Inspiring the next generation of engineers is important to us, so we regularly host educational tours for local schools and universities. As the sun sets, the factory remains a hive of activity, a shining example of how technology can coexist with nature. Every aspect of the facility, from the production line to the landscaping, is managed by intelligent automated systems. This facility stands as a model for the future of food processing, blending scalability with sustainability and uncompromising quality. From the precision harvesting in the fields to the advanced sorting and cleaning processes that ensure absolute purity, we have seen how automation handles delicate tasks with speed and accuracy that far exceeds human capabilities. The transformation through slicing, drying, and extraction preserves the natural goodness of the bitter melon for consumers everywhere. Robotic packaging and logistics systems ensure that the final product is delivered safely and efficiently to the global market. This success is built on the partnership between traditional agriculture and futuristic engineering, creating a sustainable path forward. Ultimately, our technology serves the families who invite our products into their homes, trusting us to provide healthy nutrition. Behind the cold metal and smart algorithms are the dedicated people who make this factory a warm and vibrant community. We are digitizing the food supply chain, creating a future where every calorie is accounted for and optimized for sustainability. We are already planning the next phase of expansion, introducing even more advanced robotics and AI capabilities to our operations. The potential of this vegetable is limitless, and we will continue to innovate and bring new health solutions to the world. We believe that industrial progress does not have to come at the cost of the environment, but can actually help protect it. We dedicate this journey to the thousands of hard-working individuals who make this miracle of modern manufacturing possible every day. You have been watching a deep dive into the world of industrial food processing, brought to you by Factory Automation Future. If you enjoyed this tour, please hit the like button and share this video to support our channel's growth. Thank you for watching Factory Automation Future. Subscribe now to see more incredible journeys inside the world's most advanced industrial facilities.